Welcome to GrayYeon Math. We are asked to solve this problem. We have a rectangle with an area of 243 square centimeters and two circles, a large one and a smaller one. And the smaller one has a radius of 6 centimeters as shown. And we are required to find for the radius of this larger circle. Okay, so first thing that we have to do is we need to make a line from this point to this center of the other circle. Okay, so we label this as R sub 2. And this is 6, the radius of the smaller circle. And we draw a line from the center of the smaller circle to the side of the square to the left. And we form a right triangle. And this length is actually R sub 2 minus 6. So we have R sub 2 minus 6 because the whole is R sub 2 and we need to deduct this distance, this 6. So this is 6. And we label this length as X. Okay. So next is we make an equation about the right triangle that we have formed earlier. So we have R sub 2 then minus 6 squared plus X squared. Then we have it is equal to R sub 2 plus 6 squared. Okay, so next is we square the binomial R sub 2 minus 6. So we have R sub 2 square minus 12 R sub 2 plus 36 plus X square equal to R sub 2 and R sub 2 square plus 12 R sub 2 plus 36. And we just need to, for this, we need to cancel this R sub 2 square and this 36. So we have 12 R sub 2 plus 12 R sub 2 is equal to X squared. If we put this negative 12 R sub 2 to the right hand side, so we have X squared is equal to 24 R sub 2. Okay, so now we have X squared is equal to 24 R sub 2. Okay, so notice that the area of this rectangle is actually 243 square centimeters. And we have the sides of X, which is the length, and R sub 2. The product of that is the area. So it will be equal to 243 square centimeters. Okay, so next is we need to divide this equation by R sub 2, both sides. So R sub 2 here and here. So we cancel this. And we have X is equal to 243 over R sub 2. Okay, so next is we multiply these two equations. This x squared is equal to 24 R sub 2 and the second one is x is equal to 243 over R sub 2. So if we multiply this, we will cancel this R sub 2 over R sub 2. So we have 243 times 24 is equal to x cubed. Okay, so now that we have this x cubed is equal to 243 times 24, but 243 can be written as 3 raised to the 5th power, then times this 24, which is 2 to the 3rd power, times this is 8 times 3, and that is, so this will be 3. Okay, so next is we can actually write this 3 to the 5th as 3 to the 6th. And we just need to delete this 3 because it is already there, 3 to the 6th power. And we can actually take the cube root of this on the right hand side. So we have, okay, so taking the cube root, or the cube root of this is, we need to divide this exponent by 3. So 6 divided by 3 is 2. So we have 3 square inside times 2 cube and divide it by 3. So we have 2 here. And outside it will be, we need to raise it to the power of 3 for it to be the same. So next is we just take the cube root of both sides. Okay, so if we take the cube root of both sides, then we have x is equal to 3 square times 2, and that would be 9 times 2, and that would be 18. So x is equal to 8. Okay, so we have x is equal to 18, but actually, we can form this as a difference of two cubes, because this number on the right hand side is actually a perfect cube, 243 times 24, but we are only concerned with the positive value of x for it to be a correct distance. So I have not already solved that by factoring. So I just solved this by this, reducing it to a cube root of both sides. So we have x is equal to 18. Okay, so next is we just need to use the second equation and the value of x that we got earlier. And we have here xr2 is equal to 243 and x is equal to 18. So we just simply make this as 18 r sub 2 is equal to 243. Okay, so now that we have 18 r sub 2 is equal to 243, we just need to divide this both sides by 18 to get the value of r sub 2. Okay, so now we have the value for r sub 2 equal to 243 over 18, or if we simplify that, we have r sub 2 is equal to 13.5 centimeters. Okay, so now we have here an answer of 13.5 centimeters, and that is our answer. So thank you for watching until the end of the video. Please like the video if you like our solution, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you will be updated for more math videos like this. Thank you. Bye.